My name is Panos Gikas, and I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Cleveland Clinic, London. The main reason why I chose orthopedics as a career is because compared to other surgical specialties, it is at the forefront of modern technologies and allows me to utilize the latest technologies and the latest advances in order to improve the quality of life and function of my patients. In my opinion, the main thing that patients value in my clinical practice is the fact that I consider every single patient as if they were a member of my family, and I dedicate as much time to them as possible in order to ensure that their journey and experience in and out of the hospital while under my care is as pleasurable and as safe and as efficient as possible. Orthopedics is a surgical specialty that allows access to a lot of modern technologies. One of the challenges in recent years, as these technologies evolve rapidly, is to be able to choose which one of these technologies actually makes a true difference to the outcome of your patients, and make sure you apply these new technologies in a safe manner in order to provide the best result for your patient, avoiding any potential complications.